Vamos fazer um presente pro Dia dos Pais.
No matter what they say, sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
Fica a dica.